Hi friends and welcome to my channel. In this video, I present you the 5 best electric pressure cookers. Before you start, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss new reviews every day. Let's begin. Number 5 on our list is Instant Pot Ultra 10-in-1 pressure cooker. Developed with the latest 3rd generation technology with an embedded microprocessor that monitors the pressure and temperature, keeps time, and adjusts heating intensity. It is 10-in-1, pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté pan, sterilizer, yogurt maker, food warmer, porridge cooker, cake baker and steamer. The improved easy release steam switch makes releasing steam easier, and it automatically resets when the lid is closed. Safety features includes overheat protection, safe locking lid, upgraded gentle steam release switch with diffusing cover to reduce noise and prevent splashing on the counter. Includes steam rack, with handles, recipe booklet, serving spoon, and soup spoon. Cook for up to 6 people, perfect for growing families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Should be used for sterilizing common household items. Number 4 on our list is Ninja Pressure Cooker. With 14 programmable cooking functions: steam and crisp, steam and bake, air fry, pressure cook, proof, broil, sous vide, slow cook, sear sauté, bake a roast, steam, dehydrate, yogurt and keep warm. Slide to unlock 3 cooking modes and 14 cooking functions all under one lid. Steam and crisp at the same time for faster, juicier, crispier results without drying out. Prepare quicker meals with up to 70% faster cooking, 40% faster one-touch meals and 25% faster artisan bread and cakes. Up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Number 3 on our list is Instant Pot Duo 11-in-1 electric pressure cooker that comes with 2 convenient removable lids, pressure cooker and air fryer combo. Food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom offers more even cooking, and an anti-spin design that secures the pot for optimal sautéing. The included air fryer lid delivers all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. 11 customizable smart programs for air frying, pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Cook with confidence. The unit includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Number 2 on our list is Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom offers more even cooking, and an anti-spin design that secures the pot for perfect sautéing. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. 9-in-1 functionality: slow cook, pressure cook, sauté pan, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sous vide, sterilizer, and food warmer. The improved easy release steam switch makes releasing steam easier, and it automatically resets when the lid is closed. The easy-to-read display includes a full cooking progress bar, lets you know what stage of the cooking program you've reached. Number 1 on the list is Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. 7-in-1 functionality: pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Cook for up to 6 people, perfect for growing families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. With free Instant Pot app, you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Which electric pressure cooker you like the most, leave us in the comment below. If you like this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel to get more updates like this. See you in the next video.